If you're switching from Google Chrome to Tor Browser, you can easily bring your bookmarks and browsing data with you using Tor's built-in import tool. There's no need to manually export files or go through extra steps. In this video, I'll show you how to import bookmarks from Chrome to Tor Browser. Let's get started. First, open Tor Browser on your computer. Now, click the menu button in the top right corner of the window. From the menu, go into Settings. Once you're inside Settings, navigate to the General section. Find the Import Data option. Click on it. You will now see a drop-down menu that lets you choose which browser you want to import data from. Select Google Chrome from the list. After selecting Chrome, there will be an Import All Available Data section. Click on it and make sure Bookmarks is selected. Then proceed by clicking the Import button. Tor Browser will now transfer your selected data automatically. Once the process is complete, your Chrome bookmarks will appear inside Tor Browser, ready to use. You may want to check your bookmark folders afterward to make sure everything is organized the way you want it. And that's it. You've successfully imported bookmarks from Chrome to Tor Browser using the built-in import tool. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more privacy tutorials, browser guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.